So mheshimiwa lazima tupange na wewe. So kindly, good people, we have issues of discipline in Nairobi. We have issues of early pregnancy here in Nairobi. We have issues of young people indulging in illicit brew and drug abuse. And these are some of the critical issues. County Commissioner, where I think the government has to come in very strongly to ensure that we remedy that kind of situation.
Because our children want education. They deserve a future. They don't care about division of functions or responsibilities. What they want is who is best able to deliver a certain service at a certain level. And in Nairobi, I can say for sure, despite the challenges Ronald has said, which are true, it is working, na lazima iwork, na ina work.